Hello, I'm Gustavo Dallarda, your Caltrans District 11 Director. Caltrans has redoubled our efforts in recent months to advance our infrastructure projects during this pandemic. We remain focused on planning, building, maintaining, and improving the operation of the transportation system so that our essential workers and our goods keep moving efficiently. And we work tirelessly so that the state highway system is ready when we come out of this pandemic. We're here to highlight one of these projects. As we speak, construction is beginning on the southbound State Route 125 to westbound State Route 905 connector. This project is important for two reasons. First, when it's built, it will complete State Route 125. That means that East San Diego County and East Chula Vista will have a more direct connection to Otay Mesa and to the border. Second, it is a key border infrastructure project, one that brings us closer to the completion of our binational vision for a vibrant region that gets people and goods where they need to go. Caltrans, SANDAG, and our partners are giving people options to travel where they need to go, when they want to go, and how they want to go. There is no doubt that people and commerce strengthen our economy. In addition, we must continue to build projects that create equity in the transportation system. And we are. Our project connects communities and two countries, facilitates trade and commerce, all while working towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The California Baja region has long worked together to plan, build, finance, and operate infrastructure that connects the United States and Mexico. Today, when you look at the California-Mexico border area, you will see how our infrastructure investments have transformed our communities for the better. You can count on Caltrans to deliver on crucial infrastructure like the 125 South Connector to West 905 to help communities, our Earth, and our partners. Thank you, Chula Vista Mayor Mary Salas, San Diego Councilwoman Vivian Moreno, Poway Mayor Steve Vaus, Supervisor Greg Cox, past San Diego Mayor Kevin Faulkner, and the Otay Mesa Chamber for their steadfast support and advocacy. I would also like to thank contractors Skanska and Flatiron and all the trade workers who are working especially during the pandemic to keep our border projects going. Finally, I would like to thank the Caltrans team for continuing to deliver transformational projects in the border region under the leadership of Corridor Director Mario Orso. Thank you all.
Hi, I'm Steve Vaus, Chair of the SANDAG Board of Directors and Mayor of Poway. I'm happy to be here with you virtually to celebrate this milestone for State Route 11 and the Otay Mesa East Port of Entry project. This is a crucial project for the economy of San Diego and the border region that we share with Mexico. SANDAG and Caltrans have worked hard to keep this project moving for as long as I've been a member of the SANDAG board, and especially during my chairmanship, which started in 2018, I've witnessed its significant progress. With Caltrans by our side, we spent time in Washington, D.C., working with the State Department to obtain a successful issuance of the U.S. presidential permit in 2018. I'm proud to have been part of the celebration at the beginning of construction on the last segment of State Route 11 and the southbound SR-125 connectors to eastbound SR-11 and SR-95 in 2019. And I'm just as proud today as we finish the last leg of the SR-125, SR-905 connectors. When complete, this project will provide the necessary connections throughout the county for goods movement. It'll enhance our relationship with Mexico, and it'll provide new choices for binational travelers for cross-border activities such as work, family, and vacation. Today marks the start of construction on the southbound SR-125 to westbound SR-905 connector, and the final major highway infrastructure improvement on the project. SANDAG and the project team remain committed to get this project done on time and under budget. As you likely know, this month we received $42.5 million from the California Transportation Commission under the Trade Corridor Enhancement Program grant. With the progress we've made already, we believe we can start the construction on the new port of entry by summer 2023. We look forward to continuing to work together to create a state-of-the-art port of entry that will enhance regional connections and increase trade for decades to come. Thank you.
On behalf of the City of Chula Vista and the SANDAG Board of Directors, I'm excited to commemorate the start of construction on the southbound State Route 125 to westbound State Route 905 connector. This connector is the last major highway infrastructure improvement on the State Route 11 Otay Mesa East Port of Entry project and brings the region one step closer to realizing a new land port of entry for our border region. As one of SANDAG's priority projects, State Route 11 and the Otay Mesa East Port of Entry will directly advance the short-term economic recovery and have lasting long-term benefits for our region, while also improving regional mobility and multimodal travel choices in line with the complete corridors and other 5 big move strategies. This connector is not only an important piece of the State Route 11 project, it is also a critical mobility improvement for the City of Chula Vista residents and the South Bay Expressway and regional travelers. The entire interchange is vital for both northbound and southbound travelers on the South Bay Rapid, making transit fast and reliable from the border to downtown San Diego. And of course, this is not the only thing that we're celebrating today. We're also excited about the $42.5 million grant awarded for the project from the California Transportation Commission, or the CTC, as part of the Trade Corridor Enhancement Program. The additional funding from the CTC will advance critical path items for the project, including utility relocation work and the supporting studies to move the project from development into design and construction. With this funding, these critical items can proceed without delay, bringing the Otay Mesa East Port of Entry one step closer to reality. We are excited to witness these incredible project milestones, and I look forward to seeing what the future of transportation and cross-border connectivity will look like for the South County and for our binational region. Thank you.
On behalf of the City of San Diego, it's an honor to celebrate this exciting milestone for State Route 11 and Otay Mesa East Port of Entry project. The innovative Otay Mesa East Port of Entry project will provide new travel choices, help protect the environment, and stimulate economic growth for the benefit of San Diegans. Otay Mesa and the rest of our border region are becoming a hotspot of opportunity and development. This is a trend that the California Transportation Commission recognizes when awarding their grant earlier this month. With this funding in place, the City of San Diego will move ahead with plans to transform La Media Road from 2 lanes to 6, further enhancing mobility for our border. These are just the latest in a series of infrastructure improvements throughout the border region, including the Otay Mesa Transit Center, the start of South Bay Rapid services, the South Bay Expressway, and improvements at the San Ysidro and Otay Mesa Port of Entry. Today's celebration is the perfect opportunity to step back and recognize the amazing efforts and collaboration that have brought us to this point. Thank you.